I've been using the Capital One Money Teen checking account with my younger cousin for a few months now, and I have to say, it's been a surprisingly smooth experience. For anyone teaching kids about money for the first time, having an account that's simple and easy to use makes a huge difference in building good habits early. The first thing that caught my eye was that there are no monthly fees at all. And you don't even need an opening deposit, which makes it really easy to get started. This is especially helpful if you're working with kids who might only have small amounts of cash from chores or allowances. They can start managing real money without barriers. My cousin is only 10, but the account lets kids as young as 8 join, so it worked perfectly. I like that both the kid and the parent get their own login, so I can monitor everything while still letting him manage his own money and learn some financial responsibility. For young Shopify store owners or kids learning to sell online, this is ideal. It allows parents to oversee payments and deposits while giving kids autonomy over small transactions. The app is pretty straightforward and easy to navigate. He can deposit checks, check his balance, and even set up direct deposit, which has been handy since he started doing small chores for neighbors. Direct deposit can also teach kids about regular income, budgeting, and planning ahead, which are crucial skills if they start handling online sales or their own small projects. I really like the spendable and set aside features. It's basically like splitting his money into 2 buckets, one for spending and one for saving. This is a simple way to teach the concept of budgeting, spending money responsibly while still building up savings for bigger goals. The set aside bucket earns 0.1% interest, which is not huge, but it's nice to see some growth over time and helps reinforce the idea that saving can pay off, even in small amounts. He's also been able to set goals, and I can reward him with bonus money when he hits them, which motivates him to save. For example, he set a goal to save for a new board game, and the reward system really encouraged him to stick with it. This kind of positive reinforcement can be applied to other financial goals or entrepreneurial projects. One thing I noticed, though, is that the parental controls aren't as robust as some other teen accounts out there. You can set spending limits and track transactions, but you can't create store or category specific limits like gaming or fast food. That's a little disappointing compared to apps like Greenlight, which cost around $5 per month but have those extra controls. If you want more granular control over how kids spend online, especially for subscriptions or apps, those paid alternatives might be worth considering. Still, for a free account, it's really solid. He can even use Zelle from age 13 with my permission, and parents can control how much he can send per day. This is perfect for kids who might be receiving payments from small side hustles or helping friends with purchases. Zelle integration makes it easy to move money quickly without carrying cash. Cash access has been easy too. There are lots of ATMs through Capital One, MoneyPass, and Allpoint networks, and we haven't paid any fees when using those. No overdraft fees, no transfer fees, no monthly fees. It really is low maintenance. For parents managing multiple kids or small business projects, knowing there won't be surprise fees makes it much easier to plan and track money. The account doesn't automatically convert to a paid adult account when he turns 18 either, so I don't have to worry about surprise fees later. This gives long-term peace of mind and keeps financial management simple as kids transition into adulthood. Overall, using the Capital One Money Teen checking account has been a great way to teach him money management while keeping everything safe and monitored. The interest and savings tools are small perks, but the simplicity, 0 fees, and control for both parent and kid make this a solid starter checking account. It's a practical way to introduce foundational financial skills that will serve kids well for years, whether they're managing allowances, chores, or the first revenue from an online store. It's perfect if you want a free, easy, and practical way for a kid to start handling money responsibly. With this account, kids get hands-on experience and parents get peace of mind, making it a win-win for building financial literacy early.